What's up, everyone? This is Stickasteve from STW Wraps and Graphics here in Wilmington. We also have another location in Bohemia, New York. This is a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon with Jeep Wrangler Rubicon wheels. What we're doing is we're just installing this Rubicon wheel color accent that we sell on our website. Check it out. It's stwwraps.com. Go to the store and search for Rubicon wheels. These are your standard 18-inch wheels. The tools that we will need: any type, maybe a sheetrock knife or a razor blade. We have retractable blades because we do wraps for a living. Some Dawn dish soap in a spray bottle, microfiber towel just to clean off, and credit card or driver's license. Now, I want to make sure that the wheel surface is clean, free of debris, dust. If this is one of the wheels that is on the road, you will have to make sure that you clean every nook and cranny, because if you touch brake dust and get it underneath the decal, it will have a hard time sticking and staying there. These decals are designed so that they just barely go over the metal, so that when you wash them with a sponge or a pad, you don't pull them back up. And again, if they're clean to the point where there's no brake dust on them, these won't come off at all. So first step, we have a what is that called? An air valve. So I'm going to notch that out. Then I'm also going to make a circle. You can use a scissor for this. You could tear it if you wanted to. Notching that out. Easiest way to do this: peel the whole thing off at once. And then we're just going to try and line it up. So I'm tacking just the top corners of one for now. I'm just going to barely lay the rest of them on it. The biggest key with these is just getting the corners and graphics in the right places, because everything else will take care of itself after that. It is a perfect circle after all. All wheels are created in perfect circles. So if your graphic is lined up correctly, you won't have any issues. Now I'll take my credit card. I'll smooth out the ends. Then I'll take my credit card, poke a hole in the transfer tape, and then I like to peel the transfer tape off. And peeling from the outside that I stuck toward the inside of the wheel. And as I start moving, I'm just going to start squeegeeing down. And I can pick up the bottoms. Even smooth it out towards the bottom of the wheel, like so, like so. Just using my finger. Just using my finger. Take my credit card again, smooth it out. I don't like these little wrinkles, so I can peel it up. Get it in the right position. Take my credit card and smooth it out. And I'll just run my fingers along the outside. And I'll just smooth out all the edges. Insides and outsides. This is a really important part. Make sure all your edges are down, dry. That's it. Let me show you what it looks like. Hopefully I'll do this without. So that's it. That's all it takes to install one of our Rubicon wheel decals. That wheel accents, covers up your wheel, just adds a bit of flavor to it. Again, Stickasteve from STW Wraps and Graphics. Vinyl wraps and custom graphics since 2007. Any questions, reach out to us on YouTube or any of our socials, send us an email, give us a call. 910-769-0020. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.